How to replace a human touch whole body ROVE main PCB. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear shroud, then remove the shroud from the chair. Locate the black air pump connector to the main PCB, remove the red connector lock, then disconnect all of the connectors from the main PCB. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the main PCB, then remove the PCB from the chair. To replace the PCB, position it with the tall black components on the right-hand side, then slide it into position, aligning the screw holes. Next, replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB to the chair. Now, install the connector lock onto the black air pump connector. Then, reconnect all of the connectors to the main PCB, matching by size and color. Note the tabs on the front of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, then lower the tabs on the rear edge of the shroud into corresponding slots on the rear of the chair. Next, replace the 2 screws to secure the rear shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.